Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Markets are recovering all over the world after a brutal sell-off for the last few trading sessions. Look at the Japanese market. On Monday, it fell nearly 13%, and then on a closing basis, it was 10%. Then yesterday again it shot up 10% and today 3%. So the entire loss has been recovered. In fact, it has turned to green. Europe is also looking good and US markets are also recovering. US futures are higher for a second day. No wonder India also recovered, but that recovery came with a huge volatility. Especially today the Bank Nifty was very volatile. A gap up 600 point, then fell 500 point, again shot up 300 point, again fell 300 point. Last 30 minutes, Bank Nifty shot up 200 point. So this kind of huge volatility, today is Wednesday, Bank Nifty expiry, and many people would have traded Bank Nifty. So all those people, I think today most of the traders would have lost money. Today, the bigger action was outside the Nifty. Next 50, mid cap, small cap, all indices shot up nearly 3%, whereas Nifty is up by only 1.25% only. India VIX, as expected, fell, and today India VIX has fallen nearly 13%. Now, last few trading sessions, although markets were volatile, one good thing is that on a closing basis, Nifty did not close below 24,000. That is one thing. Both Monday and Tuesday, intraday Nifty fell below 24, but it did not close. Yesterday, if you look at the NSE website, it is showing below 24,000, but actually, because the last half an hour, there was a significant move because of that weighted average was below 24,000. But whereas the actual closing was actually above 24,000. So therefore, yesterday closing was not below 24,000. Although NSE website shows it is below 24,000. Now, I've been telling you in June series, Nifty closed above 24,000. The entire July series, Nifty did not close below 24,000. In fact, did not even go below 24,000 even in intraday. Now, markets have recovered significantly. The global markets are also recovering, and looks like now the trading range will be 24,000 to 25,000 for the rest of the series. And however, we cannot say in future anything can happen, but right now the things are looking good. I think the brutal sell-off, so looks like it has come to an end, and our markets did not experience any bigger fall thanks to the domestic institutions. No matter how much FIIs are selling, the domestic institutions, they keep buying, and today the data is still not out, so we will wait. I think, but today also I think it will be something similar only. And looking at the open interest, this week was very terrible week for weekly option traders. Yesterday went up 300-400 point, came down 300-400 point. Today went up 300-400 point. It was very volatile. But still, my gut feeling says that tomorrow we will close between 24,100 and 24,500. Market closed around 24,300, so I'm just taking 200 point up and down. And both strike prices have seen huge addition in the open interest. So I think now going forward, the VIX can continue to fall. The markets may stabilize, and then 24,000 to 25,000 may be the range. So that is the view right now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.